Hi there, students. A hatchet job. Okay, this is a noun. This occurs normally in the field of journalism. A very cruel written attack or a spoken attack on somebody or something. So the journalist did a hatchet job on the Prime Minister. Okay, so a hatchet job to criticise very strongly, very severely and maliciously in a biased way. A hatchet job is designed to ruin someone's reputation. Okay, so a hatchet job, a malicious or devastating verbal attack. The critics did a hatchet job on his latest book. Yeah. Okay, so near synonyms, I was looking at these: calumny, defamation, and obloquy. But all of these have the idea of saying something false. If you do a hatchet job, maybe you're telling the truth, but it's couched in a way that's extremely vitriolic and extremely damaging. Yeah. Okay, so to do a hatchet job on someone. Okay, notice the verb to do. Yeah, the book was in fact a hatchet job on the ex-dancer's reputation. Okay, a verbal attack, biased and malicious. You could also do a hatchet job on an institution. Yeah, you could do a hatchet job on the Parliament using Twitter. Yeah, okay. So it's destructive critique. You could also call this an axe job as well. My boss did a total hatchet job on my wonderful proposal because it wasn't in his best interest and I was going to look good. Yeah. The best hatchet jobs, in fact, are funny as well as nasty and malicious, because like that, people remember them. Okay, a hatchet. What's a hatchet? A hatchet's a small hand axe. Yeah, like a tomahawk, like the North American Indians have. Yeah, and it's like you are attacking somebody, cutting them to pieces with that. Now, you can also use the phrase a hatchet job, meaning a severe reduction in spending. We also have this phrase a hatchet man. Yeah, a hatchet man is somebody who is employed by a business or assigned to carry out unpleasant jobs in a business, probably to sack a lot of the workforce. So they hired a hatchet man to reduce costs by sacking workers. Yeah. A hatchet man, somebody who has to do the nasty tasks for his boss. I think particularly they use hatchet men to sack people, to reduce costs. So a hatchet job also can be what a hatchet man does, one of these unpleasant tasks. Yeah, the whole exercise was a hatchet job to reduce costs and get rid of unwanted staff. Okay, so yeah, a hatchet job. A fierce written or verbal attack on somebody or on their work or on an institution or an idea or something like that. Okay, to do a hatchet job on someone. So, formality. I'm going to give it, I think, a 4.5 in formality. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation, just about in a semi-formal writing, but no more formal than that. Yeah, I think generally it's on the informal side. Yeah, a savage verbal or written attack on someone, to do a hatchet job on someone. And the origin, well, it comes from French, hachette, which is the diminutive of ash, an axe, and that itself comes from Proto-Germanic hapjo or habjo, a knife. Okay, so a hatchet job. Well, if I deserve it, do a hatchet job on the video, but I'm sure you won't. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A hatchet job, an axe job.